In this video, I will help you find the best blender for smoothies in 2024. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Vitamix 5200. Best for smoothies. In my opinion, the Vitamix 5200 is hands down the best blender for smoothies. This sturdy and premium blender is a game changer when it comes to blending fibrous fruits and veggies. With its powerful motor, it effortlessly turns even the toughest ingredients into silky smooth concoctions. The Vitamix 5200 comes with a generous 64-oz jar, perfect for making large batches of smoothies to share with friends or family. What sets the Vitamix 5200 apart is its simple controls. It features a speed dial and a pulsing switch, allowing you to easily adjust the blending speed and texture of your smoothie. Whether you prefer a chunky or velvety smooth blend, this blender has got you covered. I've tried many blenders, but none have matched the performance and versatility of the Vitamix 5200. It handles everything from fruits and veggies to ice cubes with ease, ensuring a consistently smooth and delicious smoothie every time. Plus, the Vitamix 5200 is a breeze to clean, making it even more convenient for everyday use. If you're serious about making the best smoothies, the Vitamix 5200 is the blender for you. Its exceptional blending power, large jar capacity, and user-friendly controls make it a top choice for smoothie enthusiasts like myself. Trust me, once you try the Vitamix 5200, you'll never settle for anything less. Number 4. Aid K400. Best for mid-range. After experiencing the exceptional performance of the Vitamix 5200, I was curious to explore other blenders in the mid-range category, and the Aid K400 caught my attention. Let me tell you, this blender is a game changer for smoothie enthusiasts like myself. One of the standout features of the Aid K400 is its impressive blending power. It effortlessly blends fruits, leafy greens, and even ice cubes, resulting in smooth and creamy smoothies every time. The 56-oz jar is spacious enough to accommodate large batches, perfect for sharing or meal prepping. What sets the K400 apart from other blenders in its price range is its inclusion of blending programs. With the touch of a button, you can choose from 3 preset programs for smoothies, icy drinks, and crushing ice. This takes the guesswork out of blending and ensures consistent results every time. I also appreciate the sleek design of the K400. Its compact size and modern aesthetic make it a stylish addition to any kitchen countertop. The intuitive controls and easy-to-read display add to the overall user-friendly experience. Cleanup is a breeze with the K400. The jar, lid, and temper are all dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. The removable blade assembly is easy to clean by hand, ensuring thorough sanitation. Number 3. Austar Pro 1200. Best for budget. The Austar Pro 1200 is an unbeatable choice for those on a budget who still want a high-performing blender for their smoothies. This blender offers incredible value for its price, delivering impressive blending power and versatility. With a 1200-watt motor, it can easily handle tough ingredients like fibrous fruits and vegetables, as well as crush ice for refreshing frozen drinks. One of the standout features of the Austar Pro 1200 is its dual jar system. It comes with a 48-oz main jar for larger batches and a 24-oz personal jar for individual portions. This is perfect for those who enjoy making smoothies on the go. Both jars are made of durable material and are easy to clean, thanks to the removable blade assembly. I have found that the Austar Pro 1200 performs exceptionally well when it comes to blending smoothies. It creates smooth and creamy textures, effortlessly blending ingredients like frozen fruits, leafy greens, and even nuts. The controls are simple to use, with pre-programmed settings for smoothies, milkshakes, and salsa, as well as manual options for customized blending. While the Austar Pro 1200 isn't the most high-end blender on the market, it certainly holds its own when it comes to performance. Its affordability makes it a great option for those who are just starting their smoothie-making journey or for those who want a reliable blender without breaking the bank. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Quiet Blender. Best for cheap. Moving on to the next blender on our list, let's talk about the Black Plus Decker Quiet Blender, the best option for those on a tight budget. As someone who appreciates a good deal, I was pleasantly surprised by the affordability of this blender without compromising on performance. The Black Plus Decker Quiet Blender comes with a 48-oz glass main jar and a 24-oz personal jar, giving you options for different batch sizes. The removable blades make it easy to clean, saving you time and effort. While it may not be as good at crushing ice as some of the pricier options, it still gets the job done. One of the standout features of this blender is its quiet operation. If you're like me and prefer a peaceful blending experience, you'll appreciate the reduced noise level. It's perfect for early mornings or late nights when you don't want to disturb others in your household. Despite its low price, the Black Plus Decker Quiet Blender still delivers some performance. It blends fruits, leafy greens, and other smoothie ingredients well, giving you a smooth and consistent texture. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive blenders, it gets the job done without breaking the bank. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender. Best for quietness. The Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender is the ultimate choice for those seeking a blender that combines powerful blending performance with a remarkably quiet operation. As someone who loves making smoothies in the morning without waking up the entire household, I can confidently say that this blender is a game changer. With its 1500 watts of power, the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender can effortlessly blend even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're tossing in fibrous fruits or leafy greens, this blender will ensure a smooth and consistent blend every time. No more chunks or uneven textures in your smoothies. But what sets this blender apart from the rest is its impressive quietness. Unlike other blenders that can be deafeningly loud, the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender operates at a noise level that won't disturb your household or wake up the neighbors. Now you can enjoy your morning smoothie in peace and tranquility. Another aspect that I appreciate about this blender is its build quality. It avoids the pitfalls of cheaper models with its sturdy construction and durable materials. You can feel confident that this blender will last for years to come even with daily use. And now with that being said, we reached the bottom of this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next time. Peace out.